Derek Cole, E5, U.S. Navy. I am the roofing department's assistant administrator, so I basically get all the contacts from all the customers. I do scheduling as far as the actual roofing projects. Most of my deployments were in the Middle East and the Asian Pacific. It's taught me to be able to think first before you make actions just based off of how you feel right away. But mostly it's being able to just connect and be cool with any type of person from anywhere, any background, any culture. Number one, it's veteran owned, so they're veteran friendly, and then it's locally owned. It's from San Diego, and I'm a hometown boy. I was raised here. I just had a feeling that the culture here would be a perfect fit for me. And one thing I do like about the military, everybody knows what their job is and everything flows right. And that's how it happens here. They understand the culture and the value that military veterans have as far as work. They don't have problems being anywhere on time, and they know the weight of having people depend on them. The effectiveness and the amount of work we do and the amount of motivation that we put towards each customer, it's amazing. I've never seen anything like that before.